Honor 60 SE with 120Hz curved display triple rear cameras launched. Price specifications. Hi everyone, Hamad from Technology Trends. If you enjoy a video like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn notification so you don't miss any new videos on Technology Trends. Honor 60 SE was launched on Tuesday, February 8 as the company's latest model in the Honor 60 series. The Honor phone comes with a 120Hz curved display and is equipped with triple rear cameras. The camera module of the Honor 60 SE looks similar to that of the iPhone 13 Pro models. Honor 60 SE sits alongside the regular Honor 60 and Honor 60 Pro that both were unveiled in December. The smartphone is also a successor of Honor 50 SE that was launched in June last year. Honor 60 SE price availability. Honor 60 SE price has been set as 2,199 Chinese yuan, roughly 25,800 rupees for the base 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. The phone also comes in an 8GB plus 256GB storage model that is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan, roughly 29,300 rupees. On the part of availability, Honor 60 SE is currently listed on the Honor Mail website in China. It is also available for pre-orders with sales starting from February 18. Honor 60 SE will be available in 3 different colors: black, green and white. Last year, Honor 50 SE was launched at a starting price of 2,300 Chinese yuan, roughly 28,100 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB storage model, and 2,699 Chinese yuan, roughly 31,600 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB storage option. Details about the global launch of the Honor 60 SE are yet to be announced. However, considering the historical records, the phone is not likely to make its way to markets including India. Honor 60 SE specification. Honor has not yet revealed the complete specification of Honor 60 SE. However, a teaser published on Weibo shows that the phone comes with the 120Hz curved display that has a hole-punch design and includes triple rear camera setup, headlined by a 64-megapixel primary sensor. Honor 60 SE is also teased to have 66-watt fast charging support and 5G connectivity. A recent report based on a Geekbench listing of a Honor phone carrying a model number GIAAN00 suggesting that Honor 60 SE comes with a octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC. The phone also appears to run on Android 11 with a custom skin on top. Thanks and bye for now.